What is up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Kodzman here, back with another video. Now this one's going to be a little bit of a different video because I am an artist, IRL, real life, so I'm going to be creating something in this video for you guys to do for your girlfriends or your significant others at home if they have a ton of stickers like this and they're not doing anything with it. So let's get right into it.
Alright, so these are the materials. You're going to need some scissors, you're going to need a stapler with staples, you're going to need some foam board that's about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and then you're going to need some release paper. I got mine for free at Michael's, but it's online. So the first thing you're going to do is see that the release paper is pretty cool, because if you take a sticker just like this one and you place it on there, it is just like the regular sticker paper and you can peel it right back off. So that is one of the cooler things about using this paper. Alright, now the first step you're going to do is you're going to take one of your foam boards. I bought 4 of them, and you're going to go ahead and place it on your paper. Now you're going to want to leave a little bit of a border around the paper, and then you're going to go ahead and use the scissors to cut that off. I would leave about maybe 1 inch or 1 centimeter of space around the whole thing. Then you're going to take your stapler, and you're actually going to open up the stapler. Don't use it the regular way. And then you are going to fold over the paper over the foam board, and then you're actually going to take the stapler and then staple it down. Pop a few staples in it. They don't have to look pretty because it's behind the thing. So it should look something like that. Alright, so when you do the other side, you're going to want to taut it up, pull it tight, and then staple it down. Then afterwards, you're going to take these scissors and you're actually going to go ahead and cut the corners off so that they match better on the back of the foam board. Once you got that done, you can pull the flaps down. Just like that, just so it leaves a little bit of space. Pop a few staples in, and then do the same thing to the other side. Alright, now you got staples all the way around the whole thing. And what you're going to do is, what I did is copied that 4 times. So I did that for 4 different pieces, and it looks something like this. Alright, now we go on to actually putting it onto the wall. We have a nail and we have a hammer, and then you could kind of choose your layout however you like. This is the way she wanted it, where it was vertical and horizontal. And then after you're done displaying it, you're going to go ahead and put on your stickers, and it's going to look something like this.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you liked all that artistic stuff, I got more up in this noggin here. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you ring that notification bell if you want to see some more of my videos. And yeah, that's about it. Have a good one.